I don't mind the plans I break. Morning comes without a race. I arrive at my own pace. Every breath a gentle start. Stillness teaching me its art. Living slowly feels like art. Every pause a perfect part. If I fall behind the race, I fall into a better place. Sunlight resting on the floor. I don't need to ask for more. Moments linger when I stay, not when I'm too fast to say. Time is not a thing to beat. It's a place I choose to meet. Living slowly feels like art. Living slowly feels like art. Let the world keep counting days. I will count the quiet ways. I am rich in hours free. I am where I'm meant to be. Living slowly feels like art. Gentle living, open heart. No delay and no regret. This is all the time I get. No delay.